It's Wednesday morning, and we're trading live again, showing you guys a trade that I made this morning and how I locked down over $600 in profit. Going to talk about the entry, the exit, and show you guys the whole thing, the thought process, what I'm doing, what I'm watching, and all that fun stuff right here in this video, trading futures. If you guys enjoy these videos, make sure you do me one big favor, hit that like button down below, and also leave a comment. What are you guys doing right now? What are you guys trading? What are you watching? What's the big plan for you guys in the market today or this week? Let me know down below, and let's get into that live trade right here on the number one day trading channel. All right, what's going on, guys? So this morning, waking up around 5 o'clock this morning, buying the dip here on this consolidation. You can see we got this little pop. We pull it back, we consolidated. I bought at the bottom of this consolidation area, put my stop basically 3 handles below there, risking 3 handles for a 10 handle move or higher, and that's exactly where we are right now. So looking for a push above this 54 area now on this move. Looking like we can get a breakout here, taking a little bit of profit along the way. Got 8 contracts, take a little bit right there at 53. See if we can get filled here at the 53s. Getting filled there at 53 now, so currently have 7 contracts left. Looking for a push above the 54s to lock in that full maximum amount of profit this morning. But you can see overall, nice little bull flag popping up there. This is the 5-minute chart right now that we're looking at. I got the 15-minute chart pulled up as well, and we got a nice little consolidation and a little pop. It already popped up into the 54 area, and really now just looking for that push here, the breakout above 54, and see if we can't get that move up there to the 60s or higher from here. So trying to lock in a little bit of profit as we go here, just to guarantee that I'm gonna walk away with some green on this trade. We always want to be smart, especially when I got 10 contracts. I got 10 contracts. Might as well take a little bit of profit along the way, even though I'm looking for a move higher. Even though I'm looking for that move up there to the 60s, I'm still gonna take a little bit of profit along the way here, just to lock that down, and like I said, guarantee that I'm gonna get some fill and get some green today. So let's see if we can get the push here through the 54s now. As you can see, that resistance kind of kicking in there multiple times, 53.75. But overall, why did I buy where I bought? Pretty easy pretty simple to see what the game plan was there. We had this nice little pop. We broke above the resistance here at the 41s. We turned that 41 area into support at that point. Now you can see that 41 breaks resistance there. We pop up. I put my stop pretty much right there at that 41 area where we broke through resistance. It actually got right down there to 42 on that candle, and then jumped back up and pushed up there to the 54s. So it's currently 8:13 in the morning, and looking to see if we can break through this 54 area here sooner than later. And let's get this move going, baby. So rock and roll, rock and roll, rock and walk and roll, walking and roll. Yesterday I had a big sell-off too, end of day. One of the Feds were speaking yesterday, end of day, and caused a lot of volatility in the market. You can see here, look at this move from the 58s down there to the 35s, back up there to the 50s, and then all the way down here to the 10s, 9-10 there, end of day. And then ever since then, we've kind of rallied back from the 9-11s, rallied back there, a little bit of a pullback there, but overall back up to the 54s. And you can see what I'm looking at here, 60-wise. Let's see if we can get above this resistance now there at the 58s and push. And there we go, 54.50 now, trying to push up there. Looking to go here. Taking a little bit of profit there at 54.50. Still have 4 contracts left. Again, locking in profit as we go here. Still looking for that move here up. And you can see my original entry there at the 42. So now we are over 10 handles higher there at the 54. So really, I can move my stop on this like to the 50s. Right there to the 50s. That way we're locking at least 8 handles on this move. We're going to lock that in. So that's what I'm going to do. I'll put my stop right there, and let's see if we can get a push. The push now that we've broken through that 54 resistance, and try to push up there towards the 60s. We'll give it a little bit of time, a little bit of patience, see if that plan works out here or not. I'm going to put my stop at the low of these 2 candles, 49.50. because that works out perfectly right where the 15-minute chart is as well. On the 15-minute chart, there's two 15-minute candles that are bouncing near 49.50. So looking for that 49.50 here to act as support. If this does pull back and then want to push higher, we'll see if that'll continue. But right now, I'm just kind of looking to see if we can break above this area, this 60, 59, 58, 60 area here tonight or today. Tonight, this morning? This morning! Let's go! Right here, right now. So I'm actually going to add here on this dip. I'm just going to add a few contracts here at the 51 area because I think we can still push up here from this pullback as long as we can kind of hold this level here. So we'll see. Now I got 6 contracts added to there at the 51s, 51.50. So looking for this to push up now. And I got my stop basically right at the bottom of this overall structure there at the 47s. So either way, we're locking in green here. We're already locked in $270 in profit, but still looking for that push here up to the 60s or higher today and going into open. So we got about an hour till the market opens, and we'll see if we get that move here. We're going to see if we get the move, baby. Here, pushing up there to the 57s. I'm going to look to take a little bit of profit here. I got 6 contracts, see if I can get some fills up here near the 57s. Just see if we can get a fill here at 56. Here, 956, try to get a little fill there, lock that profit down, and you can see still looking good here for this push above that high of the 57s now. So we're chilling, just sitting back here and waiting for market to open. Got about 15 minutes until the market opens, so we'll see if this will break out and want to push above that 57 area. Got 5 contracts currently. And looking for a move here. Looking for a move. Take me all the way. All right, so we've got about 30 seconds here. 30 seconds till the market opens. Looking for that push here up above the 57s. Let's see if we can get it here at the open. Got 5 contracts currently. 5 contracts to ride this wave. Let's see if we can get a push here. There we go. Market is now open. Looking for that push here up to the 55s now. The 55. I'm going to put an order out there 55 just to get a little fill there. Still got 4 contracts and looking for, we got $400 locked down in profit now. So let's see if we can make it a little bit more. Looking for this push above 57s here. 56.75, just take another little fill there. Now we got 3 contracts left. Looking for this to push up into the 60s. We'll let these final 3 contracts ride here and see if we can't get a push up above the 60s on this move. A little bit of a pullback there from 58s now, which was that high. Previously was the high. 58.50 was the high on the other day. Oh, yesterday's big move, as you can see there. 58.50, giving us some trouble there. So a little bit of a pullback here. We can basically just put our stop on this at the 50s now. So we'll let it ride these last 3 contracts and see if we can't get that move up there to the 60s. I need to change to a tick chart. I've been trading after hours with a 5-minute chart. Changed over to a tick chart here. Might get stopped out actually here. Market trying to figure out which way it wants to go right here. Kind of just looking like she wants to pull back, or just some indecision here at the 54 area. So let's see if we can get a push back up and move up to the 60s. Come on, baby. Daddy wants a $600 day. Daddy wants a $600 day. Let's go. Market can't decide which way it wants to go, I guess. Put an order at the 55. See if I get filled there. Just to lock a little bit more down. So now, still looking pretty good here. I'm just going to put my stop right there, a little bit above break even on this move. 52.25. Got 2 contracts left. We'll see if this is going to push up there to the 58s or higher, 60s. Might get stopped out, but we've already locked down we've already locked down the profits. Now we'll see if these last 2 contracts can pay us. All right, so getting stopped out there. We'll see what happens if it's going to pull back a little bit more to the 50s. Still think there's a good possibility this is going to run now. Now it's going to run without me. Watch. There she gets going to watch this thing. It's going to just go straight to the moon now. Now they got stopped out. Story of my life. Story of my life. Wow. Come on. Are you kidding me? Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. All right, so there's that push. Oh. Only got one contract there. Looking for this to push now above the 57s here. Only got one contract. Wow. I thought I was getting 10 on that break over that. That's retarded. Oh my God, you gotta be kidding me. Come on. You can't make this stuff up, people. You can't make it up. You just can't make it up, I swear. It's like you can't make this up. Well, yeah. We got 60.25, but looking for a push above that to take that last contract. I might look to add some more if we get a little pullback here. Looking to see if we can still get that 57, 56 area here on the pullback. I'm at 58s right now. I'm trying to hold it there for now. On this last contract. Or maybe what we'll do is we'll just put this on a stop. I have not had really any good luck lately with the whole stop game, but we'll see if we can let this one ride a little bit longer, this one contract, see if it can't get a push maybe up there to the 70s today, or we'll get stopped out. I mean, I feel like every time I put a runner on, I'm like, oh, I'm going to let this one run. I always get stopped out. I don't know if it's because I'm putting my stop just too tight, or I don't know. I mean, maybe I should just be taking profit here and lock it down, but either way, it's a win-win. So we'll see if this will want to at least push up there to 64s one more time. So about to get stopped out here. So looking like we're going to get stopped out of this last contract. Story of my life with these runners. Honestly, I've not had a runner in so long where it's like, oh, cool, I'm going to put my stop and it's going to go up another 20, 30 handles. Like, I just never get those. I don't know why. I don't know, like I said, maybe it's just because my stop is too tight or something. But at the end of the day, it's like I don't want to. Look at this. It's going to stop me out again. It's going to pop back up. Are you kidding me? Wow. If that happens, I'm just going to Control-Alt-Delete. Just delete it. Walk away forever. Never come back. But either way, still, we're up, what, $638 on the day after commissions and fees. We're walking away at $600. So, not too bad. Not too bad at all. Just trading the micro E-minis today and locking down profit, baby. Baby. So, there's the move we got today. That's what we're looking for. The old saying, put a little bit of money in your account every day. Keep the bill collectors and the doctors, whatever. Keep them all away. So, there it is. I'll talk to you guys later on. If you haven't already, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe button, all the buttons down below. Leave a comment. What do you guys think? Let's